Along this rugged coastline, two powerful machines are working together to fortify the shore. Their task? Collecting rocks and placing them into the sea to create a protective seawall. This cooperative method allows the team to work efficiently. The smaller machine collects and loads the stones, then pass to the long-arm excavator, while the long-arm excavator uses its extended reach to position the rocks into the sea. Thanks to modern machinery and careful planning, this seawall will provide a strong defense for the coast, protecting it from erosion for years to come.